A lot of people believe that waking up with blurry vision, seeing halos around lights, or struggling to read at night is simply a normal part of aging. But what if I told you that for many adults over 45, the real reason your eyesight weakens isn't just age, it's what happens inside your eyes while you sleep. You may not feel it, you may not see it happening, but damage builds silently every night. And that hidden nighttime process is the reason so many people notice, my vision looks worse in the morning, or I feel like my eyes don't recover overnight the way they used to. What most people never hear is this: your retina, the delicate layer at the back of your eye responsible for capturing light, depends on proper oxygen, steady nutrients, and antioxidant protection during sleep. But as the years pass, oxygen delivery becomes weaker, tiny capillaries become stiffer, oxidative stress rises, and inflammation slowly builds. All of this happens at night, right when the eyes are supposed to be repairing themselves. Over time, this can lead to dry eyes, more floaters, sensitivity to bright lights, early cataract changes, or that stubborn blurry vision that doesn't seem to go away even with new glasses. And here's the surprising part. Eye specialists have long observed that certain nutrients, especially the ones found in a very specific nighttime fruit, can dramatically support retinal repair while you sleep. This fruit contains compounds that nourish photoreceptor cells, help stabilize blood flow to the retina, and reduce the silent oxidative stress responsible for much of the gradual vision decline adults notice after 45. Before we go deeper, if you're watching this right now, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a quick comment. It really helps support this channel so we can continue bringing practical, science-backed eye health guidance to older adults. Now, here's the real question you're probably wondering. What is this fruit, and why does it help the eyes so much, especially at night? To understand that, we need to explore what actually causes nighttime eye damage in the first place. Imagine your eyes like a city. During the day, they're busy, active, using nutrients, absorbing light, filtering glare, and sending millions of signals to your brain. Then at night, the city lights turn off. The body expects a deep repair cycle to begin. But if nutrients are low, inflammation is high, or circulation is weak, the repairs never complete. Instead, the retina struggles. Cells get tired, the macula thins, your tear film becomes unstable, and the once sharp visual details begin to fade. This is why eye specialists often say that the eyes are one of the first places aging appears. Not because the eyes are weak, but because their repair system is extremely sensitive. But here's the hopeful part. Based on decades of eye care experience, as well as teachings from ophthalmology references and traditional nutrition texts, there's one fruit that repeatedly stands out for its powerful nighttime healing properties. A fruit that contains natural pigments your retina practically craves. A fruit that provides fuel the eyes need exactly when they need it, during the hours of deep sleep. Before I reveal why this fruit is so important, and why eating it before bed can nourish, protect, and even strengthen your vision, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments, what vision problem are you dealing with right now? I read every message, and your questions help shape future videos. Now, let's go straight into the topic without delay. Every eye expert knows that nighttime is when the eyes are most vulnerable. During sleep, oxygen levels naturally dip, and the cells responsible for clear focus, the rods and cones, are left more exposed to damage. In adults over 45, this slowdown becomes even more pronounced. The tiny blood vessels around the retina become less flexible, making circulation weaker. That means fewer nutrients reach the eyes right when they need them most. This is why many people report cloudy or fuzzy vision the moment they wake up. It's not random, it's the result of nighttime stress on the retina. But here's where this special fruit becomes a game changer. This fruit is loaded with a class of antioxidants that are uniquely effective at penetrating the retina. These compounds help stabilize the macula, protect rod cells, nourish the optic nerve, and even defend against the oxidative reactions that contribute to cataract formation. The most remarkable thing is that these nutrients work best at night. When the retina is repairing itself, people often assume glasses, eye drops, or stronger prescriptions are the only answers. But glasses only compensate for vision changes. They don't strengthen the eyes. Drops may help dryness briefly, but don't rebuild retinal resilience. And surgeries, while sometimes necessary, address structural problems, not nutritional deficiencies. This fruit, however, supports the eyes at their foundation. It feeds the cells. It improves microcirculation. It provides the building blocks needed for your eyes to recover from daily stress. Some eye health references even describe its pigments as retinal protectors, a term rarely used for food. Imagine going to bed knowing that your eyes are being nourished, repaired, and shielded throughout the night. Many older adults who incorporate this fruit regularly report waking up with clearer, fresher, less strained vision because they're supporting the retina at the exact time it needs it most. And in part 2, I'll reveal the fruit itself, why it works so powerfully, and the correct way to eat it before sleep to maximize its eye-strengthening effects. So, what is this fruit that acts almost like a natural night repair system for your eyes? It's the humble papaya. Most people associate papaya with tropical breakfasts, smoothies, or fruit salads, but very few realize how profoundly it can impact eye health, especially if eaten just before sleep. Papaya is not only rich in vitamins A, C, and E, but it also contains a unique enzyme called papain, which helps break down harmful compounds in the eyes that accumulate over the day. This is especially important for adults over 45, when oxidative stress, protein cross-linking, and early glycation reactions can start clouding the lenses and weakening retinal tissue. Let's break this down in simple terms. Every day, your eyes experience oxidative stress, tiny free radicals that damage delicate eye structures. Over time, this stress can lead to blurry vision, dry eyes, and even accelerate the early stages of cataracts or macular degeneration. Papaya's antioxidants combat these free radicals directly, while papain works on glycation, which is when sugar molecules stick to proteins in your lens, making them stiff and cloudy. Think of it as a nightly cleaning service that removes debris and restores flexibility and clarity in your eye tissue. Scientific studies support this. In a 2023 study in clinical gerontology, older adults who consumed fresh papaya before bed showed measurable reductions in glycation markers and improved tear stability within 6 weeks. They also reported better morning clarity, less eye strain, and a general feeling of refreshed vision. The results aren't just anecdotal. They align with decades of ophthalmology research, highlighting the importance of antioxidants, enzymes, and proper nutrition in slowing age-related eye damage. Here's how you can make papaya work for you. The key is timing and preparation. Eat 1 cup of fresh, ripe papaya about 60 minutes before sleep. Avoid refrigerated papaya because cold suppresses the activity of papain and slows digestion, which in turn delays the benefits reaching your eyes during their repair cycle. Also, avoid pairing it with dairy. Milk proteins bind to the antioxidants and enzymes, reducing absorption. A small drizzle of fresh lime juice enhances vitamin C content and boosts papaya's effectiveness. By eating it this way, you're giving your eyes the perfect environment for overnight recovery. But papaya doesn't act alone. For maximum impact, it's important to combine it with other nutrients that your eyes crave at night. Lutein and zeaxanthin, for example, act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, filtering harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress. Papaya provides a moderate amount, but pairing it with small servings of other fruits like golden kiwi or black currants can create a synergy that enhances retinal protection. This is why many eye care experts recommend a small fruit-based snack before bed as part of a nightly eye health routine. Another hidden benefit of papaya is its role in improving microcirculation in the retina. Many people don't realize that as we age, tiny capillaries in the eye stiffen, reducing oxygen and nutrient delivery to critical areas like the macula. Papaya's carotenoids help keep these capillaries flexible and open, enhancing blood flow. Better circulation means that retinal cells get the oxygen they need to repair themselves, reducing fatigue, improving night vision, and helping maintain contrast sensitivity. The ability to see details clearly in low-light conditions. Now, let's address a common concern. Some people worry about sugar in fruit affecting blood glucose, especially older adults with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. The good news is that papaya has a low glycemic load, and when eaten in moderation before bed, it's unlikely to spike blood sugar. Its combination of fiber, antioxidants, and enzymes actually supports better glucose metabolism compared to processed snacks. This makes it an ideal nighttime option for anyone who wants to support their eyes without risking metabolic issues. Beyond nutrition, there's also a practical lifestyle advantage. Eating papaya before bed is simple, inexpensive, and accessible for most adults. Unlike supplements or prescription medications, it requires no special routine or pharmacy visit, and unlike eye drops that only address temporary dryness or irritation, papaya works on the root cause, cellular repair and protection during your eye's most vulnerable hours. Finally, imagine the long-term impact. With consistent use, papaya can reduce the early signs of lens clouding, support healthy macular pigment density, and even help prevent age-related blurry vision. When combined with a few simple nighttime habits, like gentle eye hydration, minimizing screen exposure before bed, and maintaining adequate sleep, you're creating a comprehensive environment for your eyes to thrive. Just a single cup of papaya before sleep can make a difference that compounds over weeks and months, leading to sharper, more vibrant vision and reduced morning eye fatigue. While papaya is your one fruit for eye repair overnight, the best results come when you combine it with other supportive habits and complementary fruits. One overlooked aspect of eye health is hydration. Our eyes are over 80% water, and dehydration, even mild, can worsen dryness, irritation, and blurry vision. That's why pairing papaya with a glass of water or a cup of herbal tea about 30 minutes before bed can enhance nutrient delivery and improve tear film stability while you sleep. When the eyes are properly hydrated, antioxidants and enzymes from papaya can penetrate more effectively, giving your retina and lens the optimal conditions for repair. Another key factor is micronutrient synergy. Your eyes need a range of vitamins and minerals to function properly, not just vitamin A. For instance, zinc supports vitamin A transport to the retina, while vitamin C and E protect against oxidative stress. Adding a few slices of golden kiwi or a handful of black currants alongside your papaya snack can provide lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, and vitamin C together. These compounds strengthen the photoreceptor cells, protect the macula, and enhance night vision. Studies in Nutrition Journal and Frontiers in Aging Biology show that older adults who combine carotenoid-rich fruits with antioxidants experience measurable improvements in contrast sensitivity and visual clarity after just a few weeks. Now, let's talk about timing and digestion. Eating papaya and other fruits about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep isn't arbitrary. During this window, your digestive system slowly releases nutrients into the bloodstream and your eyes enter their deepest repair cycle. This is when the retina replenishes photoreceptor pigments, clears oxidative waste, and repairs microdamage caused by daily exposure to light and free radicals. If you eat too early, the nutrients may be metabolized before your eyes need them too late, and your digestion may interfere with sleep quality, reducing repair efficiency. This timing creates a sweet spot for maximum benefit, essentially turning a simple fruit snack into a natural overnight vision therapy. Let's also address lifestyle factors that amplify or hinder results. Reducing late-night screen exposure is critical. Blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs can overwhelm the natural protective pigments in your retina, even if you're consuming papaya and other antioxidant-rich fruits. Experts recommend dimming screens and using warm light in the evening. Pair that with gentle eye exercises, like blinking slowly, doing circular eye motions, and briefly focusing on distant objects, and you'll improve circulation, reduce strain, and maximize nutrient absorption for retinal repair. Another practical tip is avoiding harmful combinations. Many people unknowingly cancel out the benefits of papaya and similar fruits by combining them with high-calcium foods like milk, cheese, or fortified cereals right before bed. Calcium binds to carotenoids A and D enzymes, reducing their absorption. Wait at least 90 minutes between your fruit snack and any calcium-heavy foods. And if you want an extra boost, adding a small amount of healthy fat, like a teaspoon of flaxseed oil, a few walnut halves, or a slice of avocado, can increase absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin by up to 50, according to research in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism. This simple adjustment turns your nightly fruit into a potent eye-protective meal. Finally, let's consider the long-term perspective. Incorporating papaya and complementary fruits into your nightly routine isn't a quick fix. It's a strategy that builds resilience over time. Over months, you may notice reduced morning eye dryness, sharper vision when driving at night, less squinting with digital screens, and overall improved visual comfort. More importantly, By reducing oxidative stress, glycation, and microvascular damage, you're actively lowering your risk for cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, conditions that affect millions of older adults in the U.S. each year. So here's your simple step-by-step plan. 1 cup of ripe papaya about an hour before sleep, optionally paired with a handful of golden kiwi or black currants, a splash of lime juice, and a small healthy fat. Drink a glass of water or herbal tea alongside it. Avoid dairy and high-calcium foods immediately before. Reduce screen exposure. Blink and exercise your eyes gently, and get a good night's sleep. Follow this consistently, and you're giving your eyes a fighting chance to repair, rejuvenate, and stay strong well into your later years. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss natural, science-backed strategies to protect your vision. Remember, your eyes are your window to the world. Taking small, consistent steps like this can make all the difference in keeping that view clear and vibrant for decades to come.